Hey there, water enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of water. From its essential role in sustaining life to its remarkable properties, get ready to uncover the top 20 mind-blowing facts about water. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated with more captivating content. Let's jump right in. Segment 1. The basics. Water, the essence of life, covers about 71% of our planet's surface. But did you know that only about 2.5% of that is freshwater? Most of it is locked away in ice caps and glaciers. Our bodies are about 60% water, and we rely on it for digestion, temperature regulation, and waste elimination. Segment 2. Universal solvent. One incredible fact is that water is known as the universal solvent. Its unique molecular structure allows it to dissolve more substances than any other liquid. This makes it essential for chemical reactions in our bodies and in nature. Segment 3. Density anomaly. Water's density anomaly is mind-boggling. Unlike most substances, water's solid form, ice, is less dense than its liquid form. That's why ice floats on water. This phenomenon plays a crucial role in supporting aquatic life during cold temperatures. Segment 4. The water cycle. The water cycle is a never-ending journey of water through various phases: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. This natural process ensures a constant supply of freshwater for us and the environment. Segment 5. Hydrogen bonding. Water's hydrogen bonding gives it some of its unique properties, like high surface tension and cohesion. It's why water forms droplets and can climb up narrow tubes against gravity, a phenomenon known as capillary action. Segment 6. Boiling and freezing points. Water's boiling and freezing points are vital for life as we know it. Its high boiling point allows us to cook food and make warm beverages, while its freezing point lets us enjoy ice cream and picturesque winter scenes. Segment 7. Thermal regulation. Water has a high specific heat capacity, which means it can absorb and release a lot of heat without changing temperature much. This property helps regulate Earth's climate and keeps our bodies at a stable temperature. Segment 8. Erosion and shaping landscapes. Water's erosive power shapes our planet's landscapes over time. From carving out majestic canyons to forming stunning stalactites and stalagmites in caves, water is a sculptor of natural beauty. Segment 9. Color and reflection. Have you ever wondered why water appears blue? It's because water molecules absorb colors in the red part of the spectrum, making it reflect shades of blue and green. That's why oceans and lakes often appear blue to our eyes. Segment 10. Sound transmission. Underwater sound travels about 4 times faster than in the air. This property is harnessed by marine animals for communication and navigation and by humans in technologies like sonar. Segment 11. Water's memory, controversial. There's a controversial topic known as water memory. Some studies suggest that water can remember substances that were once dissolved in it even after they've been removed. However, this concept is still debated within the scientific community. Segment 12. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch. Sadly, our precious water bodies are facing pollution challenges. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch, a massive collection of floating plastic debris, highlights the urgent need for responsible waste disposal. Segment 13. Drinking water scarcity. Despite water covering most of the Earth's surface, millions of people still lack access to clean drinking water. This global issue emphasizes the importance of water conservation and equitable distribution. Segment 14. Water and life. Water plays a crucial role in biodiversity. It provides habitats for countless species and supports complex ecosystems. From the depths of the ocean to freshwater streams, life thrives wherever water is found. Segment 15. Water's role in industries. Water isn't just essential for life, it's also crucial in various industries. From agriculture and energy production to manufacturing and transportation, water is a valuable resource that drives economies. Segment 16. Water's spiritual significance. Throughout history, water has held deep spiritual and cultural significance for many societies. Rituals, ceremonies, and traditions often revolve around water, symbolizing purification, renewal, and connection. Segment 17. Water on other planets. Water might be common on Earth, but it's a precious find in the cosmos. Scientists continue to search for signs of water on other planets and moons, as its presence could hint at the potential for extraterrestrial life. Segment 18. Frozen water on Mars. Speaking of other planets, did you know that Mars has polar ice caps made of frozen water? These ice caps, along with evidence of ancient river valleys, suggest that water once flowed on the Martian surface. Segment 19. Water's role in cooking. In the culinary world, water is a superstar. It's the key to creating flavorful broths, perfectly cooked pasta, and mouthwatering vegetables. Its high heat capacity also makes it an ideal medium for precise temperature control in sous vide cooking. Segment 20. Water sculptures in art. Artists often use water as a medium for their creativity. From intricate ice sculptures to captivating fountain displays, water adds an element of fluid beauty to the world of art and design. And there you have it, folks, 20 incredible facts about water that highlight its profound influence on our world. Who knew something so essential could be so intriguing? If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for joining us, and remember, stay curious.